Imagine a creature so small you cannot see it, living in the mud, an invisible world beneath our feet. This tiny being is a bacterium, not an animal or a plant, but something far more mysterious. It holds an ancient secret. It can turn a poisonous liquid into solid, shining gold. This is no fairy tale. It's a scientific reality, hidden in the quiet darkness of the soil. For centuries, people found tiny grains of gold in rivers and soil, called placer gold, but the full story was missing. Scientists noticed these gold grains were often coated in slimy layers of bacteria, biofilms. Maybe these microbes weren't just bystanders, maybe they were shaping gold itself. The idea that a living thing could create gold challenges everything we thought we knew about nature. It forces us to see that the most powerful forces on Earth are often invisible. Trillions of microbes working silently drive profound changes on our planet. This journey into gold-making bacteria is about more than treasure. It's about survival and adaptation. These bacteria didn't evolve to make us rich. Their golden talent is a byproduct of their struggle to survive in toxic environments. Their story reveals how life thrives in the harshest places, using chemistry as a shield. In studying them, we learn about the resilience and ingenuity of life itself. The most astonishing forms of life are often the smallest. The Alchemist in the Mud is a testament to the hidden power of microbes. Their golden treasure is a side effect of their fight for survival. And in their story, we glimpse the creativity of evolution at work. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. The search for gold-making microbes was a detective story. Scientists noticed gold grains covered in bacterial biofilms and wondered, were the bacteria just living there, or actually making gold? They collected soil and water from muddy riverbeds and polluted mine sites, places rich in heavy metals. In the lab, they tried to grow these tough bacteria, coaxing them with special nutrients. The goal? Find microbes that could survive toxic gold compounds. Most life dies in gold chloride, but a few bacteria thrived. Under the microscope, scientists saw something astonishing: solid gold particles forming on the bacteria. These microbes weren't just surviving, they were transforming poison into metal. This was direct proof. Certain bacteria could precipitate gold, atom by atom. The discovery launched a new field, biogeochemistry, blurring the lines between biology and geology. The smallest forms of life were responsible for creating deposits of one of the world's most precious metals. Bacteria were not just passive residents, they were active goldsmiths. This changed our understanding of how gold moves and forms on Earth. Microbes were shaping the planet's surface in ways we'd never imagined. The story of gold is as much biological as geological. The world's gold is, in part, a microbial creation. Nature's tiniest engineers had been at work for millions of years. Among the gold-making bacteria, one species stood out: Cupriavidus metallidurans. Its name means metal-enduring, a survivor in toxic, metal-rich environments. First found in polluted sites, it was famous for thriving where most life would perish. Scientists discovered it living on gold grains in distant mines, suggesting a special connection. In the lab, they challenged it with toxic gold chloride. The result? Within days, the bacteria transformed poison into pure, solid gold nuggets. This was the first clear demonstration of a bacterium building gold in real time. The discovery forced geologists to rethink gold's journey, no longer just physical weathering, but a biological cycle. Cupriavidus metallidurans could dissolve gold in one place and rebuild it in another. These microbes were nature's miners and refiners, shaping gold's path across the planet. The gold cycle was revealed as a living, ongoing process. Why would a bacterium evolve to make gold? Cupriavidus metallidurans lives in deadly, metal-saturated soils, places most life avoids. Heavy metals like copper, lead, and mercury are constant threats, breaking down proteins and DNA. Over time, this bacterium evolved powerful defenses, pumps to eject toxins, proteins to lock up stray metals. But gold is a unique threat. Its ions are especially aggressive and hard to expel. When gold ions invade, the usual defenses fail. The bacterium needed a new strategy. Its solution turned toxic gold ions into harmless, solid gold. This isn't about making treasure, it's about survival. By precipitating gold, the bacterium neutralizes a deadly poison. The gold nugget is a tomb for the toxin, not a prize. This is evolution's creativity. transforming a threat into a shield. The process is a perfect example of adaptation in action. Life finds a way, even in the harshest chemical battlegrounds. The Alchemist gold is a monument to survival. Turning toxic gold into solid metal is a biochemical marvel. It starts when gold ions enter the cell, a major threat. The first defense is an enzyme called Cup-A, originally for copper, but it helps with gold too. When gold is detected, special Gil genes switch on, producing enzymes tailored for gold detox. The key player is Gil-A, the master alchemist. Gil-A gives electrons to gold ions, transforming them from dangerous to stable atoms, a process called reduction. Neutralized gold atoms clump together, forming tiny nuggets. The bacterium expels these nuggets, locking away the poison. This process is efficient, elegant, and perfected by evolution. The cell survives, and a speck of gold is born. What began as a threat becomes a harmless byproduct. The microbe's chemistry is a survival strategy, not a quest for riches. It's nature's solution to a toxic problem. The gold nugget isn't just waste, it's a shield. As gold accumulates on the cell's surface, it forms a protective layer, blocking more toxins from entering. The bacterium turns its enemy into armor. This golden shield may even help fend off other dangers in its toxic world. Some scientists think the process might release a bit of energy, a bonus for survival in poor environments. The scale is tiny. A single bacterium's gold is measured in nanometers. But bacteria live in vast communities, biofilms, where billions work together. Over millennia, their collective action forms visible gold grains in rivers and soil. These microbes don't just survive in a golden world, they build it. Their work shapes gold deposits on Earth's surface. The discovery has changed our view of gold's origins. Microbes are the hidden architects of natural treasure. The smallest life forms leave the biggest marks. Cupriavidus Metallidurans' talent isn't just a curiosity, it's a technological opportunity. Enter biomining, using bacteria as microscopic miners instead of toxic chemicals. Traditional gold mining pollutes with cyanide and heavy metals. Biomining offers a cleaner way. Bacteria extract gold from ore or waste, forming nanoparticles. The process could clean up abandoned mines, locking away toxins and recovering lost metals. Bacteria could decontaminate polluted sites, making environments safer. The gold nanoparticles they produce are high quality and useful in medicine and electronics. In medicine, they're explored for cancer therapy and drug delivery. In electronics, they help build tiny components for advanced devices. Bacterial gold making could be cheaper and greener than chemical methods. The applications are vast, from environmental cleanup to high-tech manufacturing. Microbes could turn waste into treasure, and pollution into opportunity. The future of gold may be biological. Gold-making bacteria are just the beginning. Scientists are searching for other microbes with unique chemical talents. Some may process platinum, others break down plastics or oil. Synthetic biology takes this further. Engineers can transfer gold-making genes into lab-friendly bacteria, like E. coli. Custom microbes could recover gold from electronic waste or clean up industrial pollution. This research even informs the search for life on other planets. The harsh environments where these bacteria thrive resemble conditions on Mars. If life can survive here, maybe it exists elsewhere too. Future space missions might look for metal processing microbes as signs of life. Challenges remain: scaling up the process, ensuring safety, and avoiding unintended consequences. But the potential is enormous. Microbes could help us build a cleaner, more sustainable world. The golden age of microbiology is just beginning. Nature's solutions may shape our technological future. To wrap up, here are some wonders of these microbes. The world's largest gold nugget, the welcome stranger, may owe its purity to bacteria polishing it over millions of years. Cupriavidus metallidurans is incredibly tough, surviving radiation and thriving in toxic environments. It's a master of survival, not just gold making. Scientists have even used these bacteria to create gold art, merging science and creativity. The project, the great work of the metal lover, turned bacterial chemistry into 24-karat images. These microbes remind us, most life on Earth is invisible, yet it shapes our world. The alchemist in the mud is just one of countless species with secret powers. There are still incredible discoveries waiting in unexpected places. Nature's capacity to surprise us is truly endless. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.